Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gentile First, and if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on the notification bell, like this video while watching, also share. And in this episode, I will be showing you another chart pattern that I'm using to trade this market, and also to tell you that chart pattern most exactly as you see it at your on your education book, as in the totally M shape or something like that, W shape. So in a real trading world, it's not it must not be exactly the M shape you see it, as in the double top must not be exactly at the same level. Look at this thing. Sorry, let me delete this thing. So look at this thing. This thing now forming on 1 hour time frame is a double top. It is a double top, but the thing didn't reach. It's a double top like this. This is the first top, and it formed the second top here, and the market is going down, and that's why I place my TP here. If market will reach here, broke before it tests and move back to the lower, but I decided to place my TP here. But this is not what we are here for. So market must not be exactly the way you think, because most traders, especially the newbie, they will be waiting so that market will make exactly what they see at the book, or that it must not look exactly like this, because some people might be thinking this is the first stop and market must reach the same top before it go down. No, that's not it. Eh, Immediately you spot something cool like this, don't wait for it to reach exactly this side before you take a sell. Just wait to know if it is a retracement, as if this one is a retracement before going back. But see this thing, it form a double top at the overbought, so it is opportunity for me uh, to short the market, and that's why I'm on the sell for now. I just entered the market very not much long time, but the market can be raging. It can be raging. So and I will update you later, guys, to know if this thing actually worked the way I wanted it to do. Jehovah, don't do one for me, oh brother. Orisha no go